If you're wondering how to add Mailchimp sign-up forms to your website, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create and integrate a custom Mailchimp sign-up form so you can start collecting emails and growing your audience. Stick around to the end, because I'll show you a bonus feature that'll make your sign-up forms even more effective. First off, Mailchimp is an excellent tool for building and managing email lists, and it can really help you boost engagement with your audience. Whether you're running a blog, e-commerce store, or business website, adding a Mailchimp sign-up form to your site is crucial for capturing leads. Next, let's dive into the setup. First thing you'll want to do is log into your Mailchimp account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry, I'm sharing an exclusive link below where you can try it out for free, and it comes with some awesome bonuses. Once you're in, navigate to the Audience tab. If you haven't already created an audience, Mailchimp will prompt you to do that. Your audience is where all your subscribers will be stored. Once your audience is set up, the next thing you'll do is create your sign-up form. Go to the Sign Up Forms section under your audience settings. Here, you'll see several options like embedded forms, subscriber pop-up, and more. For this example, let's go with the embedded form, which is the most common for websites. Click on Embedded Forms, and Mailchimp will generate HTML code for you. Now, here's the fourth thing you need to do. You'll want to customize the form. You can adjust the fields, set up your form to match your website's branding, and even add a welcome message for new subscribers. Don't forget, you can also choose which fields are required, like name or email, or leave it to just the email. Next, copy the HTML code Mailchimp generates for the form. Now, head over to your website's content management system. If you're using a platform like WordPress, you'll simply go to the page where you want to add the form and paste the HTML code into a custom HTML block. For other website builders, look for the custom code or embed feature to paste the form code. Now, for the bonus tip, after you've added the form, you can take it a step further by setting up a thank you page. When someone signs up, you want to direct them to a page where they're thanked for joining your list. You can customize this page with a special offer or some useful content as a way of engaging them right away. One more thing, Mailchimp offers analytics so you can track how your sign-up forms are performing. Are people subscribing? Is your form design effective? This data will help you optimize your sign-up process for the best results. To recap, adding Mailchimp sign-up forms to your website is easy, and it's an essential step to growing your audience. Don't forget you can use Mailchimp completely for free from the first link in the description below, and get those awesome exclusive bonuses. Keep your forms clean, simple, and well-branded for the best results. At the end of the day, it's about making it easy for visitors to subscribe to your list. Make sure to customize the form to your brand, test different designs, and always analyze the data to improve. And remember, Mailchimp's free plan gives you access to a ton of useful features to get started with no risk. Thanks for watching! If you found this helpful, check the description below for an extended free trial and more tips on email marketing with Mailchimp.